Hi everybody, welcome back to Junior Lab Coats, and today we're going to be showing you how to turn milk into plastic in this fun science experiment. So what you're going to need is dairy milk, white vinegar, a mug to heat up the milk in, cookie cutters, measuring spoons, a mixing spoon, a mixing bowl, and 4 paper towels. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is pour out a cup of milk and microwave it on 50% power for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to pour out a cup of milk. And then go microwave it on 50% power for 5 minutes. And while your milk is microwaving, you can take the time to pour out 4 teaspoons of white vinegar into your bowl. Okay, so after your milk has finished microwaving, you are going to pour it into your bowl with the vinegar. Be careful because your milk is probably pre-hot. So just do it carefully. And then you're going to take your mixing spoon and then just mix the milk together. It should start forming these lumps, which are also called curds. Now just continue mixing for a little longer, just till your mixture cools down a little. So maybe for a minute or 2. Once you are done mixing, take your 4 pieces of paper towel and put them on a surface that won't get ruined if it gets wet. Then take your mixing spoon and skim the surface and pick up all the curds that you can and transfer them onto the paper towel. Then fold the edges of your paper towel over to absorb the excess moisture. After you're done removing the moisture, it should look something like this. This would also be the time to add food coloring. I personally couldn't find any food coloring, but if you have some, you can make this dough look really cool. Then I flattened the dough and took some mini cookie cutters and cut some shapes into them. Let your shapes dry for 48 hours, or at least overnight, so they can set. After waiting 24 to 48 hours, they should be dried and hardened, just like plastic. You can now color over them with colored markers. Here's a finished example of one I made. So you might be wondering, how did milk turn into this? Well, plastic is actually just polymers, which are made out of single molecules called monomers. And inside of milk, there is a monomer called casein. When you add an acid, like vinegar, into milk, you create these curds, which are basically the casein. So you've created plastic. Casein plastic was actually a thing back in the 20th century. People used it to make jewelry, ornaments, all sorts of things. So see what you can create with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to contact us with any questions you guys have. We love hearing from you, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!